Galaxy S25 Ultra, launched in January 2025, continues Samsung's tradition of pushing smartphone innovation. It features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 3120 by 1440 resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring smooth performance and vibrant visuals. With 2600 nits of peak brightness, the screen remains clear even in bright sunlight, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking and performance. Storage options range from 256 GB to 1 TB, catering to users who need space for apps, media, and documents. The camera setup is another standout, with a 200 megapixel primary sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto lenses for versatile photography. The 12 megapixel front camera ensures crisp and clear selfies. Enhanced by Galaxy AI, the device offers advanced photo editing, scene optimization, and real-time translation. The 5,000 mAh battery supports 45 watts fast charging, ensuring all-day performance with minimal downtime. It also features wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. The phone runs on Android 15 with One UI 7, offering a customizable, user-friendly interface. Samsung promises 7 years of software and security updates, ensuring long-term reliability. Design-wise, the device boasts a titanium frame with a built-in S Pen, available in elegant colors like Phantom Black, Silver, Green, and Blue, along with exclusive online variants. Priced starting at $1,029,999 in India, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands as a premium smartphone choice, combining powerful performance, versatile